can't believe David was going nuts.
I was going nuts.
Yeah, Zach. What do you want?
Good morning. We're up and rolling. Anybody care to tell me the time?
Good morning, Poleax.
Of course, you have energy.
I always got energy.
Did you drink how many coffees already?
Just a little espresso. I made it the night before. I was drinking it cold this morning, but espresso's espresso.
I never heard
You
that.
can count David to do some crazy stuff. We're going to Atlanta, Georgia for the Atlanta, Georgia Culture Collision
Are
show.
we going the right way?
Yeah, Atlanta, like D1.
Oh, Atlanta. Are you D1 this weekend?
Yeah. Ever since Philly moved to Memphis, he doesn't answer ever. He answers, but every time I FaceTime him, he always says 1 second. What do you guys think Philly's doing all the time that he has to wait 1 second to call me?
Because I know there's customized settings.
Were you taking a poop?
No, this UPS guy was just calling me because we owe them
Cap.
customs money or some shit. I don't know.
We owe them a bunch of money and they're
I
gonna...
just sent info to the accounting chat and they're gonna send us an email. It's like $120.
Yo,
I can't wait to
heard-
meet you.
No, stop. You're the one with the shades on.
Yeah, you know where we're gonna get the best deals this weekend?
At the contrast table?
Cardmon's table.
The Cardamon table. Let's do it.
Yeah, 100%. Come on, David.
I have a bag in my duffel. My bad. I was going nuts this morning. Yo, I have a bag in my duffel. Straight up.
Yeah, don't say it out loud now.
I can't believe David was going nuts.
I was going nuts.
So how was your flight?
So relaxing. I was drinking my coffee. I was visualizing, you know, having a good time. I was rizzing up a little bit.
What you risen up?
I was rizzing up, you know, the youngers, the olders, everything. We just got to rizz. We're in Atlanta. We're in a new city.
Hey, sir, I'm a big fan, sir.
Yo.
Man, how you
How are
feeling?
you?
What are you
Hey.
expecting this show,
Nice
huh?
to meet you.
We're not really not
How
another
are you?
broken
How's it
ankle.
going?
What happened here?
I broke my finger.
For real?
Oh.
How?
Basketball. It's gonna be amazing like it was last time.
Who you buying?
Football. Doesn't matter.
Football? Anybody? Football? Lamar Jackson, maybe?
Decent, brother. He's
high?
decent. I heard he's good.
All right, so my girlfriend packed this, and let's see. Let's play a game. Let's find that chicken. In there. Oh, I found some chicken. Time more chicken.
Chicken!
Some chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Chicken. Oh,
there it
chicken.
is.
Oh, chicken.
More?
Bro, we're going to have a card show. What do you want from me?
It's too much, man. Why is he in the building?
How we
How
do?
are you feeling? What you expecting this show?
Nothing but greatness, happiness, and a phenomenal time.
Let's go.
Make Wisey swallow some words on that little vlog you made.
Oh yeah, we saw that post.
So here's the list of their players, and let's analyze how good this team really is. First up, Mikey from Powax. Mikey, I think, is one of those guys who looks like he's really good at basketball, but is not really good at basketball.
You big beast.
Tracksuit on? How we doing, fellas?
How's it going?
What's up,
better not give me no handshake.
Yo.
Yo, I love the hair, brother.
It's long now, right? Zach Levine? Yeah, Zach.
One at $180. Fine on this one was $40 back in May, so I could max that $40 comp, but I couldn't be close to I couldn't be over the patch autos. He doesn't really sell. I won't be mad if you want to pull that one. I don't care. Just take it.
I love you guys.
How's it going, Mojo?
bro? We're back.
It's like a family reunion in here, bro. People are just passing me mics and passing me money. It's crazy. Absolute vibe. Phil. Hey guys. So I'd be looking to pay 55 on that.
All right.
That works? Yeah. Another one down. 1160 is what we owe him. I got 600. Can I just get a name, phone number, and email, and then a signature?
It's 5.
6.
You saved me. I was about to get Schweef. I'm not buying any cards. I didn't buy any cards. But we can buy high-end, just so you know.
Come on, you're welcome.
About to do something really dumb. I've been known to overpay for blind deals, and I'm about to do that right here, right now. We need a lot of singles for the shop for cheap different things for people. So I counted, thought, I said. He's gonna tell me yes or no.
457.
457 and 1, 2, 3. What about the what are these dollars?
3, 2, and 1.
I'm just gonna get the number out, and then he can count it. This was the blind offer. We're about to get the yes or no answer. Philip has the cash. What's it gonna be?
We're off by a little bit.
Okay.
How many bids?
A few moments later.
74. I went 400 up, and I got this in return. But I gave these in return. It's fair for both parties.
If y'all come back to
We will.
74.
Yeah.
Matt, that's how you buy a couple thousand cards at once.
I'm really good at overpaying for cards. Catch me at the show if you want overcomps.
What's up?
Here you go, Dave.
Break the news, man.
This,
How we doing?
It's all for you.
This is all for me.
We bought you $3,000 in worth of cards.
Oh my God, but my birthday was in October. That's lit. That's fucking.
We're at the Braves!
Limonada's good.
Him.
Thank you.
Oh, she got you? Thank you. Take care.
Yo, how is it?
You ever had artichoke heart? No.
Wait, this is not even chicken, it's like cheese.
Chicken buffalo. It's Philly's dream. for changing the industry. Thank you for the chicken wings and the nachos and the empanadas. You guys got a solid team. I feel blessed to be a part of the dream. It's been wild, and it's about time